Let's spin a disc.
Greetings, family. How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review. Trust you guys are doing okay. Now, man, hey, today, man, the drama, son. With a whole lot of drama. Now, apparently, there was a show consisting of Winky D, Jah Prayzah, and the queen herself, Makhadzi, all right? And apparently at this show, things did not go down so well. Things did not go down so well, apparently, according to Makhadzi herself. Today we have Makhadzi going off and lashing out. She's pissed off, son. She's pretty much pissed off. Now, it's I don't think she's really pissed off at Winky D, because apparently she's saying Winky D took more time than all of them. Winky D had a whole 1.5 hours to perform, and she was only left with 20 minutes to perform, and Jah Prayzah 20 minutes to perform. So she and Jah Prayzah had to share 40 minutes performance time, whilst Winky D had a whole 1 hour 30 minutes. Now apparently she's going off and saying they used her name and Jah Prayzah's name to sell the show for Winky D. You know what I'm saying? So she's saying she's be feeling used by the promoters or whoever, or she doesn't know how much Winky D was involved in this. But I'm getting the picture that she's saying they used her name and Jah Prayzah's name to sell off a show. You know what I'm saying? Whilst just simply trying to promote Winky D. So she's feeling pretty much used up by whoever, the promoters, and whether Winky D was involved or not involved. And she seems to not really know Winky D. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I hope I tried to explain that right. You know what I mean? You know, because quite frankly, I haven't really watched this clip. I'm probably gonna watch with you guys. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. So she's pissed off, but I'll let you guys hear what she has to say, and afterwards, stay tuned, because I'm also gonna broadcast some of the comments or some of the sentiments shared by Zimbabweans according to her remarks. You know what I'm saying? Watch the video, then we'll talk soon after that.
Oh, guys. So, my brother Winky D, I love you very much, but you disappointed us today because of it's like the whole thing was planned for your performance, special for your performance, to destroy us. I don't know if you know that, but that's how the situation was. Because of, if it was not like that, they were supposed to follow, the road manager was supposed to manage the time and the artist. So, all I can say is whatever happened there was planned for me and Jah Prayzah to fight, because of Winky D ended his performance, whereas it's only 40 minutes left for the venue to close. And Jah Prayzah was supposed to perform 1 hour 30. I was supposed to perform 45 minutes. And we left with 40 minutes. So me and Jah Prayzah were supposed to share what? 20 minutes, 20 minutes. So that whole show was planned to promote certain artists with our names. It's not a secret that people bought tickets because of me and Jah Prayzah. That's not a secret. That's not a secret. They forced me to go to BBC yesterday to do interviews. I was happy for that and everything. I had to promote the show. The people that bought tickets with the last minute. Ticket was sold out. There was 10,000 people waiting for me and Jah Prayzah to perform, and then they have to eat time because of the new what they were trying to do. They had to eat time to let us perform at from 9:20, whereas the venue closes at 10 o'clock. Meaning us who sold the ticket, we must perform 20 minutes. So our fans can go and complain about us. So it's like they gave us money to destroy our names. It's not okay. Me and Jah Prayzah, we spoke day before. He told me that we want only 1 hour 30 minutes to perform, and it shows that he rehearsed for that time. We also rehearsed for 45 minutes, but suddenly we are given 20 minutes to perform. Imagine you have to change your set on spot as an artist. It's not okay. We are from South Africa. We rehearsed for that performance. We rehearsed for 1 hour performance. Suddenly, out of the blue, in Juyawa, Indlu yawo ithi nathina sifama 20 minutes. Guys, Zimprom, you know what? I love my Zim Fest, and no matter what Zim promoters can do, they will never make me fight with my Zim fans. What I'm gonna do, because of, you know, I learned a lesson, I'm gonna come to UK and host my own show. I must just talk to Jah Prayzah for us to come, both of us, to host our own show. Because this, like, it was planned to destroy our name. It's not okay. Jah Prayzah had to perform 30 minutes. Whereas he rehearsed for 1 hour, 30 minutes. I had to perform for 10 minutes. Whereas I rehearsed to perform for 45 minutes. And then there is a certain artist who performed 1 hour, 30 minutes, an 8-hour time. Whereas there is a stage manager to manage the stage.
Man, oh man. So let's hear what other Zimbabweans had to say about what she had to say. Leave Winky D alone, please. So another one, Aiwa or Ivapo. Another one, sending love, Winky. Oh man, people were not pissed. People were pissed off. People were really pissed off. Then you got another saying, drama. Another saying, leave Winky D alone, footsec. Another one saying, no, for stop talking like that. Oh man, the saltiness of it all. The saltiness. Oh, people not happy, particularly the Zimbabwean community, whether Winky D fans or whichever the case, they are not happy about what Makhadzi had to say. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this whole entire fiasco. You know what I mean? This is the Bless Review. Thank you for watching. My name is Bless, and I'm out.